oscillating saw beat of the state.
Yes, this is our oscillating saw, and it also has a set, but I didn't show you here. And in the oscillating saw set, it also has two oscillating channel, two batteries, one hand piece, and 5 pieces of saw blade. Now I will show you how to use our this is our saw blade, and it is 7-star saw blade. But we can also provide you like striker design if you want to customize. Okay, now I will show you how to use it. The same as the converter saw, we need to rotate the knob and open the bottom cover, and use the sterilization channel to avoid the
And put
into the
battery
and take it off, and close the bottom cover and rotate the knob. Okay, this is done. Next, we will install the saw blade. Okay. And this is closed, and we can rotate the knob to open it. And we can see there is 7 holes in it. And in this part, you can see it also has 7 dots. So we can place it in here and loosen and tighten it. Also rotate it. This is tight, very tight. Okay. I will show you. Sorry. Okay.
It's sharp.
It's very sharp. Okay. And when you complete,
Take it apart.
Yes. And rotate it and take it off. Okay. And also we need to take the battery out. For the oscillating saw, we usually use for the knee and the hip joint surgeries, like the femur neck, proximal femur neck, and tibial plateau. Yes. And the battery, yeah, all our M series, the battery are all 9 mAh battery, and it will take about 2 hours to fully charge. And when fully charged, it can last for about 30 minutes, about 2 operations. Also, the warranty for the battery, it is about 6 months, and for